Redbloc Basic is the semi-automatic version of a prefab production line from Redblocsystems. The line presented here has been successfully in operation in Germany since 2022. In this production line, the necessary half formats and fitting pieces are cut manually using a circular saw. To ensure that the respective layer lengths are correctly maintained, the building materials are placed between preset tabs. The lever holes for lifting and transporting the walls are drilled automatically. A special adhesive is automatically applied to bond the building materials. In the next step, the layers are placed on circulating pallets to form the wall elements. After the wall elements are finished, the exchange of the circulation pallets occurs. Finally, pinholes are drilled and the lifting rods are fixed. These lifting rods are reusable. 1 hour after their production, the wall elements are loaded into transport containers and transported to the construction site.
Redbloc, creating new opportunities.